And it's not meant to be a provocative question. It's just to take off on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Except it's not $1 million we have offering today. We have $3,000 as a potential prize. It's presented by and that prize is underwritten by the American Mathematical Society, who's who I work for. They're headquartered in beautiful Providence, Rhode Island. It's our version of paradise. If you ever go there, you'll know that I'm lying to you. We've been doing the game since 2001. Very happy to be here at the University of Hawai'i, Hilo. We thank the math department for hosting us, all the faculty and staff and students who have helped out, who made these lays and put all the name tags together and set up the room and everything. And so we're very happy for them hosting us. We're very happy to be here. And because for one thing, we're not in Rhode Island. My name is Mike Green, and the judge here is Bill Butterworth. And then the contestants will introduce in a few seconds, and then help us right here. All right, and these are the prizes that, these are the sponsors who donate the prizes to the book. They'll be in both games. Texas Instruments donates a graphing calculator. MapleSoft, that's a mathematical software company, so they donate some software. Wiley & Sons, that's a publisher. They donate a math book, and then the dump truck to take it home with, or the big front loader to take it home with. And then the American Mathematical Society, they donate the money and also a set of books. Another chance to cheer. These are the contestants who are up here right now for game one in alphabetical order. We have Devin Chu right here from Hilo High School. Yin Song Yao. And John Hee Kim from San Jose. And so, as we say in the math game show industry, let's get ready to figure! For 600 points, how many faces does a convex polyhedron with 9 edges and 6 vertices have? That's my geometry question. Is it 4, 5, 6, or it can't be determined from the given information? Everyone understand the question? But it's worth 600 points, and also, I think no other questions about the question? All right, and you have 90 seconds. So we'll see if B5 is the correct answer. Yes, it is. Oh, good thing he's very happy. You thought it was B as well? Yeah, that's right. So there is a theorem called Euler's formula, which relates the number of vertices, faces, and edges of a polyhedron. You might say a normal polyhedron. And then, could you picture anything like this? Can you think of anything that might look like that has 9 edges and 6 vertices? Actually, we have a picture of Leonardo da Vinci with his cheese head. And that's supposed to be an example of curve in the back there, and that has all the, and then there's Euler's formula down there at the bottom. Where it tells you how to relate the vertices, faces, and edges. So once you know 2 of those things, you can figure out the other. And in context. Okay, here we go. Question 8, the last one in the game. And Mark's going to use his help. The x and y intercepts of the line. So like those of this are a0 and 0b respectively. Those are the x and y intercepts. Where a and b are non-zero. If the negative of the absolute value, the negative of that quantity, absolute value of a plus absolute value of b, is strictly less than a plus b, which is strictly less than absolute value of a plus absolute value of b, then the line must have a negative slope less than or equal to -1, b negative slope, but the slope could be any negative number, c positive slope greater than or equal to 1, or d positive slope, but the slope could be any positive number. I wrote a lot of stuff up there. Any questions about the question? All right, so Mark is going to use his help. We'll let the clock go down to about 5 seconds before Mark uses that, and then the rest of the time it'll just be like a regular question. And in this one for this question you have 100 seconds. All right, so we'll see what the correct answer is. For 800 points, it was B. Very good audience. Nice going if you got that. And it is a positive slope, but the slope could be any positive number. So we'll see what that does to the final score. Or what is the final? Oh, it's a tie for first between Devin and Mark. All right, here we go for the tiebreaker. For any positive integer n, what is the greatest common factor of 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 5? Is it A, 1? B, 1 and 2 are both possible, but not 4. C, 1 and 4 are both possible, but not 2. D, 1, 2, and 4 are all possible. Or E, none of the above. Mark?
E.
B, 1 and 2 are both possible, but not 4. Is that correct?
B as in boy?
B as in boy.
No.
No, it's not B. All right, so you have a minute, Devin. 10 seconds. You guys still got 10 seconds. Okay, what do you think? A. A, very confidently A.